Hey, welcome to Keyboard Solos with JP. Today I'm kicking off a new series breaking down the iconic intro to Dream On by Aerosmith. I learned this completely by ear, no sheet music. I think it sounds much closer to the original that way, and you're definitely going to want to stick around for this. So let me show you step by step exactly how I play it. So we're going to start with the F. This starts in F. It's an F minor, actually. So it's going to be fingers positioned this way, and you're going to play the F and the A flat there first. And your left hand will always be playing this F. I play an octave F. So you're going to play the F, the A flat, and then the C. So it's going to go. You do that twice. And then you're going to change your fingers on the right hand only from the A flat down to the G and then to the E flat. The C stayed the same, so you went. Then on the third, you're going to go these three notes, D, F, and A flat, and just kind of do. So you're still playing that C on the bottom down here. And then on the last one, you're going to do this D flat, they call it, this F and the G together, those three notes. So the C always gets it. It's always in there. You're just kind of going back and forth. So it'll be the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, that's the first part of the intro. Then the next part goes this one again. Twice. Then you move up to the G and the B flat. Still hitting that C down there. And then last is the C and the A flat. Okay? So that's the whole first part of the intro. The second part of the intro goes, it will start to walk down the left hand, actually. You're going to play the F, again the F, the A flat, and the C, starts there. Play that, then walk down to the E flat. And you're doing the same thing with the right hand you did before. Down to the D with the left hand, to the D flat, and then back to the F, and back up again, G and B flat, C and A flat. This time you go. So you walk back down the same notes you just played, and then you go back up and you change your left hand to the B flat. Walk down again, and then you're going to do these three notes, which you've done before, but you're going to change your left hand to the E flat, E, back to the F. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then it goes into the song. So that is the whole intro. So then you walk down the bass on the left hand to the D, to the C sharp or the D flat, back to the F, B flat, back to this E flat on the left, E, to the F. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And that is the entire intro to Dream On by Aerosmith. All right. And that wraps up part 1 of Dream On intro. Actually, that is the whole intro, but if I can do another part and I'll show you the verses and the chords. So we broke down the first big section is the intro. Everybody knows that. Slow so you can get it, but you can rewind the video as many times as you want, and you can look at the fingering and the notes since I have it for you there on the screen. I also did a close-up of the keys, so it's not so far away. You don't see all the keys, but you see what I'm playing. So I think that's more important so that you can learn it by actually seeing it. So if you're enjoying this and you want part 2, you want to make sure and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any notices. Leave any requests in the comments. If you have songs that you want me to learn, I am happy to learn more songs and show you how to play them. I play completely by ear. I can read music. I learned it along the way because I've been playing a lot of years. But I like to learn songs by ear because that way you get an accurate picture of the song. A lot of times sheet music just doesn't show that, and I've seen other tutorials that don't seem to teach the way the original is, and I like that. I like the original way that the people play those songs. So I try to get it as close to that as possible. So drop a comment below. Let me know, was this helpful? Which part was the trickiest for you? Whatever kind of comments you want to leave. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep practicing.